Morning. So this is what I'm looking at today. Okay, so we have had some nice moves here. Okay, and this is not complete, so I'm expecting it to come all the way down here before we push higher. So I've already sent this on the private group as well, because we have to wait. Okay, so you don't just trade in time. Okay, so that's it. This was a nice move, deep pullback, nice move which was not complete, pulled back there, and then boom, and then before we now shoot all the way up there. So I already have two buy limits down here. Okay, with a 0.5 lots, mini lot, like I'm still in the mini lot area. Okay, then once I buy down here, boom, first TP definitely at around there, 61.8, and then the second TP will go all the way up here. So let's give it some time and see what happens in the next few hours. So what I'm seeing, the price is too far from the moving average right here. Price is too far from the moving average, and this is something that always happens. Okay, like if you look at right here, the price was too far from the moving average, and then we had a drop, pullback, drop. Okay, so this drop was like a stop hunt. This is always a ping to stop hunt people. Okay, before you then have a nice move. And if you remember, I gave this trade on the private group as well, also on the free group as well. Okay, so if you're not, make sure you join. The link is in the description. It's free, but if you want to join the private group to learn and also get these setups every single morning for free for the rest of your life, just make sure you join. It's only 79 before the prices go up, and if you want the full mentorship, it's 150. Currently 11:16, so 2 hours later, we are still waiting, and the market is flowing pretty well. Yep, so we can see it's still flowing to we're almost getting to our entry zone. So let's first get rid of this one right there. Yeah, you can see we're almost there. We are almost there. Let's see if we can get to this place, and then our next target will be all the way up here. So this was a good selling zone right here, exactly as I said, all the way, and the TP to be around this place right here, so that we can expect a nice drop, and then boom, push all the way up there, because you can see it's that kind of a movement. Okay, so let's see how this goes in the next couple hours. So we are still waiting 12 at around 12 noon, so that we can see what will happen on the 4 hours candlestick right here, so that you can see what happens here. Okay, so we'll be expecting something nice, something decent to be pushing from here all the way up there. So this is our first TP, second TP. I've given this trade on the private group as well. Okay, so see you later. There we go. The market has gone exactly as it proposed earlier. You can see, boom, we have hit the zone, and now the market is bouncing off. I have missed the trigger by just 1 pip, but I've caught it at around 1.4075. Okay, so I've just seen that the market is likely not to hit the entry right there. You can see we missed by just a pip, but luckily I've just caught it at the right time. So now just waiting to see what the market is likely to do in the next few hours. So my target is to come from here all the way up here, but my first TP will come all the way to around somewhere here. So I'll be adding one more take profit on one trade right there, so that we can see. So see you later, guys. When I'm entering one more trade, I'll just post as well. So make sure you subscribe down below. Yo, about 4 hours later, here we are. The market is pushing up nicely. You can see that the market is now pushing up really nice. I predicted the drop to here, and now all the way to up here. So I have to take profits. This is the first one. Currently the market is just wandering around here, so let's see if it is trying to accumulate before shooting higher. Okay, yeah, so that is it.
nothing much to talk about right now, but you can see the push is really decent all the way to around here, as we wait for the first push to hit our first TP, which will be good. And then it is at around 1.4140, so around 25 pips to go, only 25 pips. So I'll be checking this. Currently it is around almost 6 p.m, so few hours later, like 4.5 hours later. So you have to be patient with trading, okay? Once you place a trade, don't expect it to shoot like immediately after you place the trade, okay? Always give it some time to play out, give it some time to do its thing, okay? Give the market some time to do its thing. The market has no commander. The market just does whatever it feels like doing, okay? So currently all my stops at break even, so in case of anything I won't lose anything, okay? So yeah, so that's it. So let's see how this goes in the next couple hours.
Currently 9:25 p.m. So I've just decided to square the position and raise the stop loss all the way up, and it's probably going to hit me. And since we're still below the moving average, so I still don't trust the bullish move. Okay, so we have to, once I get stopped, it's okay. It's okay. It's a profit for the day. And also I don't trade most Mondays, so it's okay. Let's see how this goes. If I get stopped, well and good. That's 30 pips for the day. Targeting around was it 100? Yeah, but it is a slow day. You can see that as well. Yeah, you can definitely see it was a completely slow day right there. Slow day, like 30 pips back and forth. Okay, yeah, so that's it. That's how you catch an easy 30 pips fast and safe.
Just finished my morning analysis, okay, as I continue to edit this video for you so that you can learn from it. Okay, today is the following day now, okay? So if you're new here, thank you so much for coming all the way to the end here. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here. If you haven't already, make sure you give that thumbs up as well. If you want to learn my entire strategy on how I trade, it's only $79 to get the course, step-by-step videos. But if you want one-on-one sessions where I do Zoom sessions with you personally, okay, it's only $150 lifetime, one-time payment. You don't have to keep on paying monthly, okay? All you need to do, you know it, go to check the link in the description, contact me directly on Telegram, okay? And also join my free group as well. And if you like to switch and use my broker, okay, just check the link in the description as well, okay? Join my free group to get my trades once in a while. I do that sometimes in a week, maybe twice a week, sometimes depends on the week, okay? And then on the private group to get all my updates. Once you get the course, you get all my updates every single morning, okay, on what I'm looking at, how I'll deal with it, if I have to wait, if I have to trade right now. And that's it. Those are the kind of things that I normally update there. Thank you so much for coming all the way to the end. Highly appreciate. Okay, see you later on the next video.